Well, I think the cultural change is dragging the tools in its wake. I don't think the technology creates cultural change. I think the pressing need for cultural change creates the tools to enable it. What I've seen is enterprises struggling with really long release cycles, with rapidly changing market conditions, competing with startups that are able to move much more rapidly because everyone works cooperatively and collaboratively in a different way, and the enterprises not being able to compete. And what I see in the DevOps movement is not a set of technologies, it's a set of ways of working together that make all kinds of organizations a lot more effective and collaborative and empowered and diverse and interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I absolutely agree. I think my experiences doing kind of DevOpsy stuff date back a few years now, and it was the culture first. I mean, most of the kind of interesting tool stuff we did was just writing bash scripts.
Yeah.
And that was really just, it was a reaction to the problems that we were having and fixing the problems we were facing at a particular time. And it was bash scripts and wikis.
And give it up for bash. I mean, even bash is an example of how diversity makes tools better, because the guy who wrote it has an English degree. He didn't come from the computer science department at all. And I am firmly of the school that believes that the more diverse the group of people you have working on a problem, the more diverse ideas you're going to get, and the more likely you're going to have a great idea come out of that group of people. I think it's absolutely essential, given all of the problems we face and the things that we're trying to solve, to get as many intelligent people in the room as possible. And while some of my best friends are white men, I don't think white men have a monopoly on merit or good ideas.
Certainly not.